100 count Band-Aid brand sterile flexible fabric adhesive bandages for first aid and wound care protection of minor wounds, cuts, scrapes and burns. Adhesive bandages make a great addition to wound care supplies and first aid kits. Made with memory weave fabric for comfort and flexibility, these first aid bandages stretch, bend, and flex with your skin as you move, and include a Quilt-Aid Comfort Pad designed to cushion protect painful wounds which may help prevent reinjury. These Band-Aid brand flexible fabric adhesive bandages stay on for up to 24 hours and feature a unique hurt-free pad that won't stick to the wound as they wick away blood and fluids, allowing for gentle, pain-free removal. From the doctor-recommended bandage brand, Band-Aid brand sterile fabric adhesive bandages help protect against dirt and germs that may cause infection for up to 24 hours. Plus, wounds covered with a bandage heal faster than uncovered wounds. A great addition to a first aid kit, apply flexible fabric bandages to clean, dry skin for minor wound care. Change daily, when wet or as needed. For proper wound care, treat with wound and antibiotic ointment such as Neosporin prior to application. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect all-rounder, just buy these and use them liberally. These are the perfect everyday, use on everything, change them frequently with impunity band-aids. I keep a small portion of hydrocolloids tegaderms around for serious and/or sensitive wounds. And a small variety of specialty size regular bandages for the occasional small and/or awkwardly placed wounds. These bandages only need restocking every few years. 100 pack of these, I replace every few months. I've been tempted by plastic and foam and clear over the years, but the classic fabric Band-Aid brand wins. Put some ointment and a Band-Aid on every little thing and change them frequently, easy to do with a stash of these. Your skin will thank you.